Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. The purpose of this video is to give an in-depth overview where we will guide you on how to manually add a customer. Before we begin, please note that there are two approaches to adding new customers in DataTill: the sales module, which we will discuss in another video, and then adding it manually. To add a new customer, first navigate to Customers and then click on the Add a New Customer button. A pop-up will appear on your screen and then you can simply fill in the customer details in the boxes provided. You can now specify whether a customer is a company or an individual. When adding a company, extra fields such as company name, VAT number and company registration are available, whereas when adding an individual customer, none of these are available. You will also see a VIP slider. This is done to identify the customer as an important customer. For example, high-paying customers will be labeled as VIP. Please note that the accounting code will be created after you have filled in the customer name and then hit generate. This is where we add the customer address details. The purpose of filling out the address details, even though it's optional, is to ensure that services are delivered to the correct location. Once the address is entered, you can use the Show Map button to pinpoint the exact location and get the customer's GPS position. Remember, your Google Maps API keys need to be set up in order for this to function correctly. The customer portal is where customers may access information about their accounts, pay bills, get assistance, and much more. The customer portal username and passwords are generated automatically when you generate the customer code. Here are some final tips to wrap up the video. This ID is related to syncing with Sage 1. This is also generated automatically when you sync your system with Sage 1. Please avoid editing it without permission. The Cancellations tab is reserved for the Accounts departments to manage suspensions and cancellations. That brings us to an end of our tutorial on how to manually add a customer within DataTill. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for further helpful guidelines. Thank you for tuning in.